Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone apps that are crashing on your iPhone running iOS 18. So if you have an app which you're running and it keeps crashing, so for example, CapCut, where it opens up and then suddenly just goes back to the home screen, then let me show you how to fix this issue. So the first and the very easiest step, what you can do is restart your phone. So pressing the volume up button and the side button here, go ahead and restart your phone. Slide it to the right, and that will basically turn off the phone. Once the phone is turned off, go ahead and power it back on, and then after it's back on, go ahead and try the app CapCut and see if it's working or not. If it's still crashing, then there is more issues to it. So the second issue which I would recommend you do is you need to update the app. So the app might have an update which is required for it in order to work. So you need to go to your app store. Here you want to search for the app. So we're troubleshooting the CapCut app. So I'll search for CapCut. I'll go ahead and tap on CapCut. Here there is an update for it. So I'll go ahead and update this app. Now let that app update. And by updating it, it'll basically fix the issue as well. So now once it's updated, you want to go back to your home screen. Go ahead and try the app. And now if this works, then it's happy days for you. However, if it doesn't work, then you need to try something else. So the third action which you could try is offloading the app and then reinstalling it fresh from the App Store. So how do you do that? So first you need to go into settings. Next you want to go into general. Here you want to go ahead and find iPhone storage. Now once that loads up, go ahead and find CapCut, which is right here. Tap on it. And now here in the properties or CapCut, you want to go ahead and offload the app. So as it reads, this will free up storage used by this app, but it'll keep the document and data as it is. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available to download. So we'll go ahead and offload the app. Tap offload. This will basically remove the app from your iPhone and will leave the document and the data there. Now once that's done, go ahead and reinstall the app. Now once that's reinstalled, you want to go back to your home screen and give it a go. Now if CapCut loads up fine, then you're good to go again. However, if there is an issue, now you need to try the last action. Now the last action here is to update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So if your iPhone is not updated to the latest iOS, then maybe a bug or a security issue could be stopping that app from opening. So how do you do that? So first you want to go to settings. Next you want to go to general. Here you need to tap on software update. And now your iPhone will look for any new software update. Once it finds it, go ahead and install that update. Now once that phone has been updated to the new iOS, you can go ahead and give it a go. If CapCut opens up, then it's good. If it doesn't, then the last action which you could try is basically resetting your phone completely just to make that app work. So how do you do that? You can do this by going into settings, general, scroll down until you see transfer or reset iPhone. Here you want to go ahead and tap on reset, and now you need to tap on reset all settings. Before you do this, make sure you back up all your data, photos, pictures, messages, and so on. And after doing this step, I'm sure CapCut will then start working as normal. So there you go, that is how to fix an iPhone app which is crashing on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.